How do you say I'm hungry in French? To say I'm hungry in French, you can say j'ai faim. J'ai faim. Literally, j'ai faim means I have hunger. J'ai faim. On mange bientôt? J'ai faim. On mange bientôt? I'm hungry. Are we eating soon? Je meurs de faim. Je meurs de faim. I'm starving. Literally, this means I'm dying of hunger. Je meurs, I'm dying, de faim, of hunger. J'ai très faim. J'ai très faim. I'm very hungry. So if you want to say that you're hungry in French, you say j'ai faim. J'ai faim. You could also ask, avez-vous faim? Avez-vous faim? Which means, are you hungry, or do you have hunger? If you want to learn to speak French, you can get my course 3-Minute French by going to www.3minlanguages.com. And if you use the code WELCOME on checkout, you can get a discount.